guys, probably new by now. So got the fuel line back on. That was kind of a bitch. I don't know if you have a Whipple or Foreign Innovation fuel system. It is back there. It is a total bitch to get on there. So just be prepared for that. Kind of do some other minor things. I just got the purge. So I get this here done, situated back on there. Dipstick tubes finally done. Starting more to plug pieces back in and out. Hopefully I can get the spark plugs on both sides. I still need to torque down the passenger side valve covers. So I'm gonna probably finish the driver's side, get that all done, get the cover back on it, and then get a bunch of zip ties and try to zip tie these things back in the way they were. So that's kind of what I got going on for you guys. I'll send you more updates as I kind of go through, but that's kind of where I'm at. Thanks, guys.
Hey, my fellow car guys and Mustang enthusiasts, I'd like to introduce you to friends over here at Home to Home Canine Orphanage. They're an amazing non-for-profit and have several animals in need. If you feel like you're interested in adoption or even making a simple donation, please follow the link in my video and hit them up. They definitely appreciate it. So I felt this would be better if I showed you guys. So when you guys get the alternator relocation kit, you're gonna get this hose in the kit. At first, when I got it, I had no idea what this hose was for. I emailed Whipple. Whipple took about a day or two to get back to me, and I had figured out by then. But in the interim, I was having problems. So this is kind of how it looked. Let me show you guys here. Okay, so this comes from the lower half of the radiator down here to the exit up here of the water pump. The problem is with the relocation kit, you can see this black piece here, it sticks out about maybe 3 or 4 inches, moving the alternator 3 or 4 inches forward. If this was back where in the original OEM resting position, it would be fine. So what happens here is I tried trimming this down as much as I could to get it to avoid the pulley. It looked like it avoided it. So after we got together, got the spark plugs, got all of that put into it, um, we took it for a drive. It appeared to be fine. When we got back onto the main road coming back to my house, I decided to punch it. At this point, I'm about a mile or two from home. And at that point, I dug into the hose here. I can probably get pictures of it to show you guys. But it dug into the hose and it snapped the belt. So be aware when you install this kit, this will not work. You will need this hose, and I will see if I have a picture of how I did that. So I will show you a picture, but this is the hose. Basically, you need this end sticks into this end here, so it kind of S's off like this as it gets lower. So it completely avoids that. And I'll show you some other pictures of how that looks. And then down here, this is the part that connects into the lower radiator. You got to get a 45-degree that turns like this. So basically it goes here and then turns. And I can show you what I did for that. I will have that in the next video, or I'll show you in this video. But that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys was in this kit. I don't know why they did this. This may not be in your car. It might be. I don't know. But in my 350, this was the hose that ran. So just keep that in mind. You know, with this kit, this is needed. Don't pitch it. Let's see. Do I have any pictures of that? Yeah, here's another overview that you can kind of see. Yeah, like I said, it does eclipse it barely. I mean, it barely touches it. So I'll show you guys a picture of that, and then we can go from there. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that to your guys' attention. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.